The Smart Pepper Spray from Sabre features a maximum strength formula for protection at a distance while providing smart features to connect and notify selected contacts if your pepper spray is deployed. Here's how to install and replace the pepper spray or practice canister. First, make sure you are outdoors in a well-ventilated area and that the device is disconnected from the Sabre personal safety application in order to prevent a false alarm. To load or replace the canister, point the nozzle away from you and insert the spacer with your thumb over the S. This will prevent accidental discharge. With the nozzle pointing away from you, unscrew the base. If replacing, remove the existing canister and safely discard. Next, remove the overcap of the new canister and insert the nozzle end first into the base while making sure you're pointing the device away from you and your thumb is secured over the S. Screw the base back onto the Smart Pepper Spray. And then finally, remove the spacer from the top. Your Smart Pepper Spray is now ready to be connected to the Sabre Personal Safety app and deployed.